Oh, she starts the popping. So we're just packing the rest of our stuff now. We're getting ready to check out of Rotorua. It's our last day here, so we're just going to go luging. And then from there we have a very long drive to Wellington. So our North Island adventure is ending and we might stop past Lake Tapo. I don't know. People were saying we said it all wrong yesterday, so I don't know how to say half the words here. And yesterday as well, they were telling us that they have the longest words written in any language. So yeah, there's no way like I can say most of the words. And they've shortened them down for tourists, but it's still really hard. But the way they speak, like I really like it. So we're just gonna pack up the rest of our stuff and head off.
How exciting is this? Check this out. While we were packing, I noticed outside the window, there's like a classic car meet. I don't know if you guys can see it. We might swing past and check that out.
Classic cars, and we're off to luging. We just got to the luge place. I know I look like Wednesday from freaking Addams Family, but if we're wearing a helmet, I don't want my hair down. So we just got on the gondola. This is so good, it's just us two.
Yeah, that's pretty nice of them.
No, Rotorua, the tourism here, it's just so well kept. It's not that full, but they just know how to deal with it. So it's very easy, very smooth. Like even if you line up to get tickets, it's really fast. We're just gonna grab our helmets now to go luging.
Just look at her, this thing on.
Okay, so we're just gonna go into it now. Here we go.
Interesting.
Oh, I just hit my back.
You okay?
Right, imagine mountain biking. Oh, she starts the popping.
Not too forward.
Turn the engine on.
Oh, poor thing. We just stopped. Actually, we didn't go anywhere. We're still in the luging place, but we're just having some lunch.
And an amazing view.
Yes.
So good.
We're back on the gondola, going back to the car. I'm ready to take a nap, so that's what I'm going to do when we get in the car.
I guess I'll be driving.
Nah, I'll drive. But I have to set up all my settings because me and Bronson are the complete opposite. He's a giant and I'm a dwarf.